In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check in online on Qantas. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the check-in option on the main page of the Qantas website or the mobile app. In this video, I'm gonna do it through the website, but just as I said, you can do this through the mobile app if you wish. All you have to do is select check-in on the main page, and instead of just filling the reference and the last name, I recommend you click View Online Check-in and Eligibility. This will take you to a page that has frequently asked questions and answers to a lot of subjects that you might be interested in. If you read through all this on your own time and you are satisfied, all you have to do is fill out the booking reference and your last name. If you need help looking for the reference, click Where can I find this? And you will be redirected to another page that's going to help you find the proper booking reference to properly check in for your flight. Once you find the booking reference, include it here with your last name and click Continue to proceed with the check-in. As long as you include valid and legitimate information, you will be able to check in if you are doing it in accordance to the check-in times and any subjects they have listed over here. If you are still having trouble or you can't find your flight, hover over help and contact them in order to be in touch with their customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to check in online on Qantas. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.